Okay, so for 33, we've taught you that you can actually convert them both, meaning the question and also the answer, into decimal form and then compare which one is going to be your answer, right? So how it's done. So actually the first thing obviously you should be remembering is this is hexadecimal. So hexadecimals, we got digits from 0 to 9, and along with that we have got A, B, C, D, E and F. So what do they represent? So 9 is 9 obviously, so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And with the 0 there's 16, so it's a hexadecimal system. So you should be remembering that. So how do we actually type that in our calculator? Every time remember, the first digit from the right hand side is to the power of 0. So power 0, power 1, power 2, power 3, power 4, power 5, power 6. So you can see I didn't write down any digits for the zeros because zeros times 16 to the power of something is meaningless. You just get 0 anyway. So I only put down the power on the values that I actually need to input in my calculator. So again, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12. So these are the values I will need to put in the calculator along with the B, C, D, and E. So how do I do that? So B is 11, so it's 11 times 16 to the power of, the location is to the power of 12, and C, so C is 12 times 16 to the power of 11, plus D, D is 13 times 16 to the power of 7, plus E, 14 times 16 to the power of 6. Now remember, every time when you power, you make sure you put this bracket, close it as well. Okay, close the bracket. So this is the answer you should get, 3.3, whatever that is, 3.30733 times 10 to the power of 15. So also write that down. So roughly is 3.30733 times 10 to the power of 15. And to not waste time, I'll just do the answer for you, or actually do A and C, and then you can see which one is the answer. So first one, 188 times 16 to the power 11 plus 222 to the power times 16 to the power of 6. So that's A. What's the answer? A. Let's check C as well. So C is 188 times 16 to the power of 12 plus 222 times 16 to the power of 7. So it doesn't give you the same answer, so the answer is A. So if you get a log question, so this one is a bit straightforward, I would say, because even though you say, okay, the y-axis is not a y-axis, it's log 9y, and the value of x is normal x. So what we need to notice is what these points are. So actually this point, x value is 4, but on the x-axis y is 0, and similarly on the y-axis x is 0 and y is -2. So actually we can write down two sets of data. So in here x is equal to 4, but this is y value. Y value, you're not talking about the normal y, we're talking about log 9. Log 9y is 0. So if you remember how to unlog things, So it's basically log ABC. So log ABC will become A means the 9, to the power of C, which is the last term, become B, so Y. So log ABC will equal to just ACB. So ABC is ACB, but the 9 becomes a big 9, the base, and the power on the other, the answer on the other side for the log becomes the power and equals to the what we were logging, so Y. So anything to the power of 0 is 1. So that's my first set of data.